Hello, everyone, and welcome to You Are You with Yoga. I am Marla. Today, we're going to do our 20-second yoga asana pose known as the bridge pose. Now, before we get to that, we're going to discuss the benefits of it. The benefits of the bridge pose: it stretches different parts of your body and improves blood circulation. It also contributes to helping with all your other organs as well. So if you have any shoulder problems or spine problems or hip problems or high blood pressure, please consult with your healthcare provider before engaging in this pose. Before we get to that, we're just going to come to a nice comfortable sitting position. And we're going to lie down on our backs. And then we're going to come back. And we're just going to engage into a nice fold into our chest. And we're going to do 3 standard rocks back and forward because this is going to help our spine with this pose. Come forward and the second one and our third. Then we'll come back, bring our knees into the chest, slip to the side, and just fall to the side. Then we'll come back, center, then we go to the other side. Back up and hold our knees into our chest. And we're going to put our feet flat and stretch them and flex our feet up. Now when we do this pose, now this video is going to be very short today, okay? So when we do the pose, we're going to make sure that we bend in our legs and align them straight across. Now this is the bridge pose. When we take our hands and we lift our hips up, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our hands is just enough to touch the heel of our feet. This will just ensure that you will have enough room to do the bridge pose. And your shoulders are to touch the mat, not to be up in the air, to lie back onto the mat. Now, if you cannot get your shoulders up to the mat, you're just going to bring yourself up slightly as a little modification and so. And within time, what will happen, your shoulder blades are going to go more forward towards the mat. So for now, we just want to make sure that our hands just reach the tip of the heel of our heels, our feet. So we know that we have a proper amount of length. So now we will reach our hips up, way up. Our shoulder blades are tucked under, so. And we'll take our hands and we will fold them in, hold them down. And our head is nice and flat. Chin up and shoulder blades down. You will feel that the belly will inflate and we'll hold this pose. This is the bridge pose. This also helps with the thyroid as well. And we'll come down, release the hands. Do that again. Take a deep breath in. Folding the arms. Breathe normal. And exhale to come down. slow it down. Breathe out. Now we're going to go and hold this up for about 5 seconds. So, engage the core, lift the hips up, hold in the arms, the shoulder blades down. Let's lower down. Let's bring the knees in to our stomachs, core and chest. Give it a nice squeeze in there. And let's walk ourselves up to seated position. Find your center. And come to sharvahn. Nice, seated, easy. And there you have it. That is the bridge pose. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And we will see you next time.